Tim passes the ball and Phil misses. Phil throws the ball. Tim misses and falls over. And he gets back up. And the ball, don't get the ball wet. Jeff picks up the ball and throws it to Phil, who catches it. Yay, Phil!
Are you recording?
Yes. And Tim misses the ball again. And Tim throws the ball to Phil, who misses and falls over. Darn. That was a good one. Liz has the ball and drops the ball. Liz picks the ball up and walks past somebody. Getting in the middle. Stop!
Yeah, stop. That's annoying. Why did you do that?
Liz, throw the ball! Liz throws the ball to nobody. And that person is still walking, and Tim throws the ball, and Phil sucks. Phil goes to get the ball with his polka dot underwear. Phil throws the ball to Liz, who is playing in the water.
I want to get on.
Liz does not go get the ball, so Tim goes and gets the ball. I cannot narrate.
Dives it off. Splash it down.
And random kid walking in the middle. Tim throws it. Where the hell did it go? And Phil catches. Yay! And
Good job.
And Liz comes running towards us. Ah!
Angela.
Phil throws the ball and Tim catches. Yay!